What's going on? It's Suk and I'm back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech, and in today's video I'll be unboxing the brand new Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. We are on the road to 10,000 subscribers, so if you are new around here, then I must ask you to please hit that subscribe button, clicking the bell to be notified when any of my up and coming videos get uploaded to the channel. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So first and foremost, I do want to quickly mention that there is a smaller version to the XL, which comes in with a 6.3 inch display over the 6.8 inch display we see in the XL model. It's available in a range of 4 different colors, from porcelain, rose quartz, hazel and obsidian. And in today's video I'll be unboxing the hazel coloured smartphone. It starts off at £1,099 and that'll get you 128GB of storage, and if you so chose you can get up to 1TB of storage, although that will set you back £1,549. But that's enough talking about that. Let's crack open the box and see what actually comes included with this smartphone. So on the rear of the box you'll find 2 pull tabs, and pulling away these allows us to slide the sleeve, revealing the box. And lifting the lid reveals the Pixel 9 Pro XL sat atop, but within the lid of the box you'll find your included documentation. This documentation includes some regulatory, health and safety and warranty information, and you'll also find your SIM card injection tool. And returning back to the box reveals the smartphone sat atop. Now placing this to a side, we'll find our included USB-C to USB-C power and sync cable. Now this cable has an approximate length of 1 meter, and as I mentioned will be used to charge the smartphone. And then we have the Pixel 9 Pro itself. Now as I mentioned, this is the hazel coloured smartphone, and what I've noticed with this colour is it slightly has a greenish hue on the metal rails on the sides, and the back glass has more of a grey colour, which reminds me of the natural titanium coloured iPhones. But hey, if you made it this far in today's video, then be sure to subscribe, smacking that bell icon to be notified when I upload any of my future videos. Of course, I will be comparing the cameras on this smartphone to the up and coming iPhone 16 Pro Max, so be sure to subscribe, as I'm sure you don't want to be missing out on those videos. If you've got any questions with anything you've seen in today's video, then be sure to hit me up over on my social media, Instagram and X. I'll leave them linked down below in this video's description. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care and have a good one.